When it comes to learning knife defense or how to use a knife to protect yourself, are we solving the right problem? The fight doesn't start when the knife moves. Many assume that knife defense begins when the knife appears or you're attacked. So when does the fight actually begin? Watch this clip and ask yourself, what happened or changed prior to the knife appearing? Okay, so what did you think? The physical attack is only one phase of the problem. If you only train to counter the physical attack after it starts, then you're only training to solve one part of the problem.